Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into Citi Bank credit card. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser, and now you need to search for the Citi Bank credit card login in Google. So once you do that, you'll be able to see a link at seconds on in the screen where you need to tap on that link. And now you'll be redirected to the official login page of the, or you can say official page of the Citibank credit card, where you can see there is a sign on option at the top right corner of this page. So let's tap on that sign on option, and now you can see it is asking us for our user ID and our password. So once you complete your credentials, simply tap on the sign on, and yeah, you'll be able to log in successfully. And you can also see there is a remember user ID right above of this sign on option. So once you enable this one, then yeah, your credentials or your user ID gonna be saved in this browser or in this device successfully. And by chance if you have forgotten your user ID, then simply tap on the forget user ID on in the screen, and if you have forgotten your password, then just tap on the forget password, which is at the right side of this forget user ID on in the screen. So basically this is how you can log into Citibank credit card. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.